Timmaġinak tistudja u tibni karriera fuq il-lob. Din mhijiex ħolma iżda l-missjoni ta' grupp ta' studenti li jistudjaw kif jilagħbu logħba Counter-Strike fl-Area Academy tal-Iżvezja u li bħalissa jinsabu f'pajjiżna għall-esperjenza li matula qed jipprattikaw ukoll l-Ingliż. F'pajjiżna dawn l-istudenti Svediżi qed iqattaw sigħat jilagħbu f'tim fl-istess waqt li jiksbu diversi ħiliet u valuri. Iltqajna magħhom fil-Gaming Lounge ta' Birkirkara fejn wieħed mill-istudenti, Mattias Varg, jiddeskrivi bl-ebda tlaqliq il-ħolma li qed jaħdem għaliha.
My dream is basically to become one of the new stars, the best player in the world. Obviously, everyone's dream is to become the best, but I think if you have the right put the effort in and practice a lot like I do. I play a lot of games, a lot of Counter-Strike, maybe 6, 7, 8 hours a day. I think you can accomplish it if you just have the right motivation.
Tkellimna wkoll mal-għalliem li qed jakkumpanjhom l-ex gamer professjonali Fredrik Andersen.
It means if you want to become more towards a professional, you need to learn a lot of the basics in the game, like communication, how to play with each other, leadership, and you learn a lot of this, and it can also evolve into typical jobs in the future. A lot of jobs right now is within the IT business.
Apparti li komplew jitħarġu fuq Counter-Strike, kellhom ukoll diversi sfidi fosthom li jitkellmu u jiftehmu bejn il-membri tal-iskwadra tagħhom bl-Ingliż waqt li jikkompetu u jisfidaw lill-avversarji.